What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, aka Living with 3M Auto Vlogging, and today we have got a good one for you. I'm giving you a walk around of the house and my property right now just to show you guys that it's April and everything here in North Carolina is blooming and everybody outside is working on their yards, trying to make things look a lot better, doing spring cleaning and all. But we've all got those problem areas that we want to get rid of or we want to hide. And today's video, I'm going to show you that I'm hiding an outdoor hot water heater and I'm hiding some electrical conduit and a meter box that you guys probably, most all houses have this, and we live on a corner lot, so it's really tough to hide these areas, but I found a way. You can see the yard looks fairly nice, well kept, but these electrical boxes, terrible, unsightly. All right, you look around here on the built-in mother-in-law suite, we've got an outdoor water heater. Very unsightly, can't stand it. So the AC unit, heating and air, you can kind of hide with the bushes from the road, but you can't hide that, and you definitely can't hide that. I mean, it's not even white or tan, it's gray. So yeah, we're gonna fix this today, guys. I'm gonna show you how you can fix up your home and you will love it. The neighbors will love it. Just keep watching, watch what's fixing to happen. So I got absolutely sick and tired of that unsightly mess, and I looked on Amazon and I found something that you guys will not believe that will cover this up. So yeah, this is a greenery product. It looks like a vine that's on lattice. I'll show you the back side of it, just like that. All right, I ordered 2 more pieces right here. You can order them in any size that you want. So I got this size. This is actually 2 pieces. I've already took zip ties and tied these together. Use green zip ties back here. So this is actually 2 sections. Okay, so I needed, for this project, I needed 2 sections there to make 1 large section. And then I've got 2 separate small sections there. All right, let's get into this job right now. So for this job, you're gonna need some zip ties, probably some wire snips, and a 4-foot to 6-foot ladder for my application. Yours might vary. So I just said a 4 to 6 foot ladder, but for my application, I'm gonna have to bypass the shorter ladder, and I've got a little giant ladder right here that'll extend upward, because you can see that goes a lot further up than a small ladder will help me. So I need to extend this thing. We'll get up top, show you what I got to do to mount this lattice. All right, so I just measured the height of this wall, and I've already mounted these. I wanted to show you guys. How am I gonna hold it to the top up here? See these hooks? I'm gonna include all these tools and parts in the description below. So I mounted these hooks up at the top under the gable, or whatever you call that, the eave. So I originally was gonna just zip tie to this pole right here, but that would only secure one side. There was nothing over here to secure it. So I got to thinking, since that's lattice, it will just hang basically. So I got those hooks measured twice before you do any drilling in the wall. So I just run a 1/4-inch drill bit right in there and then mounted those hooks. I advise, if you're doing both at the same time, to go ahead and zip tie them instead of trying to piece them together at the top. Also, check this out, guys. Okay, see, it's lightweight. I cut with scissors right here, cut a couple of these plastic lattice rails out because I knew I had a meter box here, and I know they've got to read the meter box. So just like this will extend. All right, I can go ahead and just set that around that. Raise this up, and all I'm gonna do is fit that right like that. So I just got this side. I will go to the other side for the other hanger. I can actually reach it. So all I've got to do, just like that. So it's hung now, but it's still flopping around. So that's where the zip ties come into play. And we'll just secure it to things right here, like the meter box post in behind here. Go through, just wrap around the lattice, and you don't have to make it tight. Here, click a few times, push it back in there. I'm not even having to use the snips. So just make sure it's not on your greenery. All right, we'll do one over here. We'll lift this up because this will go where you want it to go. And you can put as many as you need. Keep that through there. Absolutely awesome. All right, I'm gonna do one right here. Absolutely hides and transforms the entire look of this wall. Yes. So now we come over here to address the hot water heater. All right, and if you guys will see, I've already started right here. These are factory bolts or screws in the casing. You see that one there? Okay, so I had a couple of these conduit holders. So I just put these on here. You can still move them around. I left them a little bit loose. So that's what's gonna hold the top of the lattice. See what I'm saying? Check this out. See it do this? Look at that, yes. So these things are weather resistant. I mean, it will be a long time before they deteriorate. And unlike live plants and foliage, you know, I mean, it's almost impossible to grow something that nice. I mean, for me anyhow. I mean, you guys might could do that, but I'm like, nah, that's so much easier. So y'all check the links in the description. Pick up yours. I got mine on Amazon. Cheap and worth its weight in gold, I'm telling you. So many comments from the neighbors and passersby. It's like, what have you done to your house? It's like they can't really put their finger on it from the road, the curb appeal that it has, but it's like you've done something different. I got you back. Living with 3M, fully approved. Let's go now.